Hello guys, it's WasherLad 2014 here. Right, today I'm going to do another tutorial video on my Miele W5748 washing machine. And this tutorial is going to be how to open the config menu on the higher end Miele washing machine, like this one for example. Right, what you're going to do first is press the start button, and then what you're going to do now is press the on off button. And then you need to keep it pressed until the light, if it will come up. Well, once language comes up, you stop pressing the stop button and you move the program dial any way you want. It's up to you, and then you have some options. Memory, you have anti-crease, memory, standby display, contrast, brightness, keypad tone, buzzer, temperature unit, code, suds cooling, gentle action, water plus, and language again, and then back. You press the start button if you want to go out of the config menu. And okay. Right guys, I will do a separate video on all of the options, like as in what you can activate and deactivate, and yeah, once I upload this I will record a separate video of the options. Guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you can always get notified about all my latest content, and you'll always be able to watch it. Right, in a minute I will do a separate video of all the options, and yeah, I'll see you then guys, bye.